गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। हाय, मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त और आपकी होस्ट डॉक्टर रोमिका। सो टुडे आई विल बी टेकिंग यू ऑन अ फन राइड टू डिस्कस अ कोर्स जिसमें एंटरटेनमेंट है, ड्रामा है, नॉलेज है, इंफॉर्मेशन है बहुत सारा प्रैक्टिकल। So as you know the situation right now, COVID-19 has changed scenario for everyone. What to do, how to do, what to choose, and what not to do after the graduation. Fikr not. We are here. We are here to help you. But before that, let's start with a video जहां आपका थोड़ा सा entertainment हो और जो आपको थोड़ी सी glimpse देगा कि what exactly we are talking about. अजय जी, video please.
बहनों और भाइयों, मैं आपका रेडियो दोस्त बोल रहा हूं, अमीन सायानी।
रहे इतने गंभीर अपराधों के बावजूद भी हम मायूस ना हो।
दवाई अब तक नहीं आई है।
Now no more delays with आपका केमिस्ट।
नमस्कार, मैं रविश कुमार। भले ही आप मुझे भी ना देखें, लेकिन टीवी कम देखिए।
क्यों, मजा आया ना? हाँ, और मुझे लगता है कि आपको समझ में भी आ गया होगा कि what exactly I am talking about. Yes, I am talking about a course that is known for its creativity, that is known for its punctuality, that is known for its proximity. जब कुछ नहीं होता तो हम मीडिया वाले जरूर होते हैं। तो now I will be talking to you about BAJMC. So in order to take the things forward, I am giving the baton to the moderator of the day, Dr. Kim, Associate Professor BJMC, and she will be taking the things forward from here. Over to you, Dr. Kim.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good evening to all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all the dignitaries and the participants for today's session. So before we begin, let us have a virtual tour of Trinity. I would request Mr. Ajay to play the video.
Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University is a state university established in the year 1998 by the government of Delhi, which is located in Dwarka, Delhi. University runs almost 50 courses and more than 120 colleges are affiliated to it, which runs according to the rules and regulations set by the university. Trinity Institute of Professional Studies was established in the year 2007 and holds 5th position in the university. Since then, it has been promoting quality education and fostering academic excellence. Courses offered at Trinity are BBA, BCA, BA JMC, BCom and BA LLB. The BJMC department has a well-equipped video studio and production controlled room with teleprompter, different types of lights, audio and video switcher, and HD still and video cameras. The institute also has a fully air-conditioned audio studio for audio recording and for radio journalism with talkback system, Yamaha speakers and Yamaha audio console and various recording equipments. In the post-production lab, budding editors can access Apple iMac machines with FCP and Adobe CC professional softwares. The library at TIPS is a comfortable getaway from the noise and hustle of the campus for students and faculty members alike. TIPS has 3 well-equipped computer labs with 175 computers with the latest and updated softwares like Adobe Family, InDesign in C++, Visual Studio, Java, Oracle, and Tally 9.0. The Department of Law is equipped with a moot court. It is used exclusively by law students for mooting practice and to conduct moot court skills development workshop. The Institute organizes TIPS eminent lecture series with esteemed speakers like Mr. Vikramjit Banerjee, Senior Advocate and Additional Solicitor General, Supreme Court of India, Mr. Pradeep Bagchi, Senior Journalist, The Times of India, and Mr. K.G. Suresh, Senior Journalist. The Institute has initiated Celebrity Talk series from last year for students to interact with experts in the field of filmmaking and media communication skills. Recently, Ms. Flora Seni and Ms. Leila Panda were in the campus. Various workshops, life skill sessions, counseling sessions, alumni interactions, eminent lecture series, value-added course, industry visits, seminars and conferences are being conducted on regular basis to provide practical exposure to students and to reduce the industry-academia gap. The college organizes various sports events such as cricket matches at IIT, powerlifting competition and TIPS Krida. There is also a dedicated placement cell equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure which conducts placement drives at regular intervals with reputed multinational companies. Moreover, events such as convocation, the degree distribution ceremony, national conference and Alveda farewell for seniors, transduction for the fresher students and Unmid, the college fest, are also held to promote a healthy and inclusive cultural environment. Welcome to the world of excellence.
What a mesmerizing video. I now welcome our first dignitary for his address, respected Dr. R.K. Tandon, Chairman TIPS. He's a visionary leader with an open-minded approach. I would request, sir, to kindly address the students. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Kim. Good afternoon to all present in this webinar. My cheerful welcome to Mr. Nitin Sharma, Director, Ramnita Films. Dear audience, I am glad to inform you that Mr. Nitin Sharma has more than 15 years of experience in film industry. Mr. Sharma has been associated in the production of Madras Cafe, Vicky Donor, Piku, and many more. Today, he is with us as a speaker of this webinar. The presence of Mr. Sharma in this webinar shall enlighten us with his experiential learning in Bollywood. Guidance given by him today shall make budding media and mass communication students more confident about BA JMC course of GGS IPU Delhi. Dear students, BA JMC course of GGS IPU has numerous opportunities in the field of print and digital media. You can become a journalist, cameraman, news anchor, radio jockey, script writer, actor, casting director, event manager, editor, producer, and even director. Dear students, Trinity Dwarka has produced radio jockeys, TV news anchors, correspondent, assistant director, and actors as well. I am glad to inform you that TIPS Dwarka is considered to be the one of the topmost colleges of GGS IPU in Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication. With this, I conclude. Now it is over to Dr. Kim, please.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightened words. Now I would like to call our revered director, Professor Barkha Behel, who plays an instrumental part in the success of education. I welcome you, ma'am, to share your wisdom with the aspiring candidates.
Good afternoon, one and all. What I wanted to emphasize today in this session, knowledge sharing session, is that it is very important for anybody to decide for an institute that which college they should opt for, what the qualities they should look in for. So what I need to emphasize is that whenever a student is looking for some infrastructural features which should be there in the college, then he should also take into consideration the quality education being provided in the colleges, the professional excellence, and the comprehensive learning environment being provided in the institute to achieve both quality education and professional excellence. And we at Trinity Institute of Professional Studies provide all these things through our best practices. We believe in providing industry-specific training, professional exposure, various career opportunities, personal value addition for overall grooming. After 12th standard, students have to go in for doing their graduation. Either they can go in for degree courses or they can go in for diploma courses. For the same, for opting for both the courses, they have to appear for some competitive examinations, and at the same time these competitive examinations, what is the schedule, what is the timings, they need to fill up the forms, and accordingly they have to fill up for CET examinations if in case they are going in for GGS IPU exams and they are interested to seek admission in GGS IPU. They are confused number of times to what course to opt. So what I would suggest to them is that they need to follow their passion and their interest whenever they have to opt for any of the course, whether it is a degree course, BCom, BBA, BCA, BSc, BTech, and there are so many options nowadays available that they are really confused. But what I wanted to suggest them is that they should follow their passion and interest and take a right decision that by opting a right college. At Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, we provide competitive learning environment through our state-of-the-art infrastructural facilities, qualified and experienced faculty members, and with the help of infrastructural facilities and quality and experienced faculty members, we have been able to provide 360-degree overall grooming to a student so that they can make themselves market ready. For that, how we differentiate us from others are through various initiatives which we have adopted at the institution for providing quality education, which is being evident in these slides, that we provide experienced and dedicated faculties. As a result, they go through various theoretical and practical exposures, and they result in excellent academic records. We do take care of their 360-degree holistic grooming through making them participate in various co-curricular and extracurricular activities, which we organize from time and again in an institution. We provide an open environment for the same. Overall personality grooming is being done through various personality development sessions wherein we take care of the communication, presentation, and interview skills. As a result, the students are being placed at very high positions and they achieve what is there within them, and they can overcome their weaknesses with the result of these PDP sessions. They gain confidence. They get team building and event management skills also. Various guest lectures, alumni network, corporate mentorship, and English communication sessions are being organized time and again in the institution to make them professionally excellent. In addition, we do have drama, dance, theater, etc. societies wherein students can explore and work on their talents and can present themselves in a best possible manner. Clubs, in addition, we do have clubs and recreational activities wherein students have fun and frolic and they can enjoy their college life. Various mentoring and counseling sessions are also being provided to the students so that they can excel academically and professionally. We provide a personal touch wherein we find that it is required and the student is interested to go in for that. In addition, we do have industry tie-ups for providing industry exposure so that they can come to know that what exactly is going on in the industry and they can work accordingly on those skills. For the same, for making them industry ready, we do provide technology enabled and value added courses too. As a result, they get very good placements through various placement drives which are being organized for them. Those who are interested to go in for entrepreneurship, they are being provided that platform, vibrant environment, healthy environment, where they can get guidance and mentorship to become a successful entrepreneur. Various sports and excursion trips are also being organized annually and in every semester so that students can enjoy their career life and they can think of their well-being also by participating in various sports activities. As a result, we make them globally acceptable. They can be placed nationally or internationally, or in case they want to go in for higher studies, they can go in for that also. As a result of the efforts which is being put in on the students so that students can excel, we have an excellent academic performance. Our students have been placed in reputed companies and they have brought laurels to the institute by participating in various co-curricular and curricular activities. And in addition, we have been graded A+ by Joint Assessment Committee and we have been rated high in academic audit, which is being conducted by Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. As a result, with the help of all these best practices, Trinity Institute of Professional Studies leads towards building a strong nation. Thank you. Whatever doubts you have, your doubts will be clarified in the further session.
Sir, our aspiring students would like to know that we at the college are teaching softwares like FCP, Audacity, Verdana, SoundForge. Do you think that these are enough for the students to carve a niche for themselves in the industry, or do we need to add some other software as well in the coming semesters?
See, I guess FCP is one of the good tools, but right now, as per my experience, most of the professionals have shifted to Premiere Pro now. So for editing, Premiere Pro is being used widely right now because of its features, because it allows you to color correct also once the offline is done. So I think, yeah, Premiere Pro should be added to the list, which you just mentioned right now. Apart from it, as I said, softwares is one thing. See, if you know how to ride one bicycle, you can ride any other bicycle. Basically, it's all about balancing. And as you very rightly mentioned, that they have to maintain their creativity also. So that is the most important part. Now, being an editor, you need to understand the vision of the director. With the film is made on, as we say, that the film is made on the table. Basically, when it comes to the editing table, this is the way you place it. You tell the story. So unless and until you are not coming in synchronization with your director, with yourself, with your assistant, it won't take place. So softwares is one thing. Practicing it and maintaining your creativity is the most important part, which one has to take care of.
So mostly when we watch television or films, we all know that actors are the one who are acting, dancing around in the screen. The students would love to know that what is the world behind the camera? What are different career opportunities with them behind the camera? I mean, acting is one perspective, but behind the camera, there's so many, like, since you are a director and a producer as well. So what are the career opportunities for them behind the cameras also?
Okay. See, to broadly divide the life behind the camera, I would say there are departments. So there is a direction department, there is a art department, there is a costume department, then there is a production department. Now these are the four major departments we have. And then there is a post-production department also, which is the fifth pillar of it, basically. Now there are various departments in all these pillars I mentioned right now. So when it comes to direction, it is not like you come out of the school with a degree in hand and you go out and declare that I'm a director, now I will direct a film. It won't happen like that. Let me tell you the real picture outside. So how it works is you get a degree from your college, you do your experience, you keep making your films, but you have to have an industry experience. So the way you start is by interning probably in a good production house as an assistant director, probably. If you talk about one pillar, or you can go to a production department also, wherein you can be a production manager, probably, or help the production manager in the production, basically. So it all depends upon your inclination and your craft you have studied. So if you have done a fashion designing course, then costume department is the one for you. If you have a good knack for playing around with the props or with the sets, then the art department is the one for you. It all depends upon you, but let me tell you, there are a lot of career opportunities behind the camera. What you see in front of the camera is just one part of it, and it is possible only when those 1,000 links are joined together. Only then you get it. For example, there is a scene in which a mother is waiting for her son to come back. So in this, you have an actor, and for example, the location is in the living room. You have to procure the living room, the kind of living room director is looking for, the costume, what kind of costume she is wearing, the lighting, the kind of camera movement it will have, the kind of music it will have, and on top of it, if she's eating something while she's waiting for it. So as you can see, there are so many elements, and everything has to be planned way before the shoot is taking place. That's the reason I said half of the film is made in pre-production, half of the film is made in post-production. While we are producing, it is just a practice which we did in our minds before coming to the floor, basically. I hope I answered this question.
Yeah, so you have a vast experience in advertisement world also. We teach about various nuances of advertising in public relation to our students by giving them live projects and arranging mock press conferences as well. Do you think that this practical exposure is enough to give an impetus to their career and help them being future PR gurus or AdWord experts?
See, I come from a schooling where my guru, Shruti Sarkar, is a #1 film director as well as ad filmmaker also. So I was fortunate to have worked with various other directors in ad films, and as a result of which I'm running my own production house right now, and we are making our own ads. And I'm working as a director and a producer in Delhi right now. I would say that advertisement is something which will always survive, because the businessman, the corporate, will have to sell their products, and they can sell it through marketing, and ads is one of the most important part of it, especially the visual, because the visual medium attracts the audience more than the audio, basically. So I think this is one of the best thing if you can provide to the students, because the filmmaking process remains the same. It's just the terminologies change. when it comes to ads or when it comes to films. The pre-production remains the same. It is again about the vision. For example, I am making a film, a feature film. I have to cater my vision as a director to my team. And when it comes to ads, I have to cater the vision of the client whose product we are advertising to my team, basically. So it requires a lot of research. It requires a lot of detailing. It requires a lot of R&D when it comes to advertisement, and in the films also. Just to tell you one uh, small thing about films, like I just want to mention about Madras Cafe. I was part of direction team, so we had to watch at least 500 films related to this genre to get the right references. Now, if you see the film, this we referenced each and everything so that we achieve the perfection, which included the music, which included the camera movement, which included the action, the artwork, the costume, and everything. So direction department is the one which is the light for everybody. They throw light that this is what is right, this is what is wrong. So unless and until you are not very much inclined, very much, if you're not crazy about your work, it is very difficult to survive in films, because you are showing something to the audiences which has to be accurate, which has to be right.
Right, so
Can I ask one question, Dr. Kim?
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Mr. Nitin, could you suggest a few areas where competition is less? Student can go easily and excel themselves.
Sir, I would like to give a very holistic answer to this question. All the fields are very easy, sir, till the time you are focused and you are clear with your vision.
Right. So
See, I tell you my example because I'm here to tell you my experience of how I started my journey. I started my journey as an actor, and I have worked in a lot of plays, and I have taught acting, and it was very easy for me to get into acting and be an actor there because I was dealing with a lot of casting directors also. But my inclination was towards direction. So I was always inclined towards direction, and right now I have created a niche for myself into direction where people know that he's a very good teacher, very good director. So it was decided by me. If somebody would have told me that, Nitin, your life would become very easy if you become a casting director, and people told me that thing because there are so many actors, there is dearth of actor. You go anywhere, you just have to shout audition, and you'll get thousands of people standing outside. It is a very easy job. I'm not saying casting is a very easy job, but what I'm saying is that you can get money. At the end of the day, when you say that the work is easy, it is easy money you're looking for. But that will not satisfy your hunger. What will satisfy your hunger is your inclination.
I got your point. You are saying that one should follow passion. That is very much right. But some fields which are like digital content, digital media, satellite televisions, these are new fields or relatively are having, less competition, I suppose. See, if you talk about sports, if somebody says that you practice cricket and you will become an international player, then I would say that the probability is very less. So likewise, in your field, do you think that any field which is having scope for the student, if they follow their passion, as well as if they have to, mint money, or they have to earn money as well. So where they can, start with, from where they can start with?
Sir, I would say the courses you are offering right now will help them in their in satisfying their need, basically. Now, coming from direction department, I would always prefer to have an assistant who has a good knowledge about Photoshop, who has a good knowledge about Illustrator, who has a good knowledge about Premiere Pro, because I will have to create my vision in the pre-production. Now, if my AD knows this, he will be able to create that for me. And any good post-production house requires good amount of offline editors, online editors, and various other technicians for them. Okay. So, and if you can increase your knowledge by working on these softwares and by working with the industry professionals using these skills, you will be able to first survive, plus earn good amount of money, and then you can go towards your own skill also with the department you are going towards. Because as you very rightly said, all these departments are there. Satellite, broadcasting, not many people are getting into broadcasting. That is also a very good option right now. So, but all these things require you to enter into the work mode first. So you should at least have one craft on hand, and then you can venture into other aspects also. Because I started as an actor, then I became a director. Right now I'm a producer also. And this is the rule of our industry. You are master of all the trades at the end of the day, because you are going hand in hand with all the professionals, with all the departments. So it is all about creating your own niche by finding your own interest first. You should know your interest first, and then you can create your niche. It will take time. It is, I would be wrong to say that I can provide a cakewalk to anybody, right, be it this field or be it any other field.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, now I would like to welcome Dr. Romika, HOD, Associate Professor, Journalism Department, to show a presentation on scope of BJMC post-COVID-19.
Thank you, Dr. Kim. I will be sharing my PPT. Just a moment, just give me 2 minutes. I know, after listening so many things and grasping so many knowledge, you must be having so many questions in your mind. So I would like to request you, just sit down and relax and think, ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो आपको खुशी देती है? Cause किसी ने कहा है, if you make your hobby your profession, you are never on a job. So my request to all of you is to go for a course जो आपकी क्रिएटिविटी को आपके अंदर और आपके अंदर के बच्चे को जिंदा रखे, जो आपको आप रहने दे. Now the question arises, how to choose a course like that? Just do one thing. Today, just sit down, go through the syllabus of each and every course and see किस चीज को देख के आपको खुशी मिलती है, एक प्यारी सी मुस्कान आती है. That's the course for you. Now, before we move further, I would like to share a course with you जिसने मुझे मेरे जैसा रहने दिया, जिसने मुझे लैंग्वेज, फॉर्मेलिटीज, लोकेशंस के बंधनों में नहीं बांधा. Now you will ask कि क्या ऐसा भी कोई कोर्स है जिसमें आपको लैंग्वेज के ऊपर कोई ज्यादा ध्यान, मतलब लैंग्वेज को कोई बैरियर नहीं मानना या लोकेशन को कोई बैरियर नहीं मानना? जी हाँ, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट BJMC. BJMC इज अ कोर्स जो आपको लोकेशंस में नहीं बांधता. BJMC एक ऐसा कोर्स है जो फाइन ब्लेंड ऑफ थ्योरी है, जो कि आपको थ्योरी के साथ साथ प्रैक्टिकल भी सिखाता है, और आप कहीं से भी कर सकते हो. अगर आप अपने होम टाउन से करना चाहते हैं, यू कैन बी इन योर होम टाउन ऑल्सो. यू कैन बी having any knowledge of any language also. There are regional channels, there are national channels, there are international channels too. And not only channels, there are radio, newspaper, digital platforms too. BJMC is a perfect blend of theory plus practical, which not only teaches you how to behave and be a nice human being, but also at the same time teaches you the nitty-gritty of the trade. You can be an actor, you can be a film star, you can be a government official, you can be a PR official, you can be a director, you can be a producer, ad world head, researcher, RJ, and much more. You can be anything behind the camera and on the camera too. अब बात उठती है कि why Trinity? There are so many colleges. सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन, सारे के सारे कॉलेजेस एक ही चीज तो सिखाते हैं. तो let me throw light on why Trinity. First thing that Trinity is having as a positive thing is its proximity. You can reach Trinity from any part of Delhi NCR, which is, I'm sure, is missing in many colleges. Secondly, it is situated in the heart of the city, meaning that not only you can study, but you can have the fun too. That means करोल बाग के छोले भटूरों से लेके यूपीएससी की चाट तक हर जगह पहुंच सकते हैं आप, बस एक मेट्रो की दूरी है. So this is the thing. Proximity makes it a hotspot. Now we will be talking about the infrastructure. So Trinity do have an audio-visual studio, an audio studio, and a post-production lab. These are the things that turn your dreams into reality, that you can, where you can unleash your creativity. Equipments like teleprompter, multi-camera settings, multi-lighting can bring out a director, producer, actor, or anchor inside you out. Not only television, but audio labs also provide you a platform to hone the skills of a radio jockey, and this can be practiced on the talkback system of the college also. That means we not only give you the practicals, but also a ground to you where you can practice all these things. Apart from this, we do have a nice industry connect. Celebrities like Ayushmann Khurrana, Flora Saini, Laila Panda, these were in the campus. And this is not only these things. Students do go to the channels like India TV, Red FM, Sahara to know exactly how industry is working, because we think that apart from theory and practical, you need to know what is expected of you from in the industry once you will be there. To provide students with something extra, we do have some value-added courses along with a tie-up with big wigs like DUCAT, T-Series, IMS, where the trade technicalities are taught to you. I'm proud to say that Trinity also gives a university topper among all the colleges in Delhi NCR of IP University, that you can very well say that in IP there are approximately 20 colleges, and among those 20 colleges, Trinity is giving its BJMC topper to IP year after years. And not only this, students of Trinity are placed in companies like Shale India, Dharma Productions, Red FM, Indian Express, etc. And this is because at the same time, the faculty that is there, state-of-art infrastructure, and the hard work of the students too. So now I can very well say that we are doing everything to make you not only industry ready, but society ready too. By saying all these things, I would like to conclude. So by saying you a thank you, and on a note that कोई career छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता, कोई course छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता. आपकी creativity, आपका उस course को लेके कितना लगाव है, उसे अच्छा बनाता है, उसे बुरा बनाता है. If you choose a course that has a future, if you choose a course that is never gonna die, it will make you to rise leaps and bounds. And what I am talking about right now is BJMC is a hot course, because जब कुछ नहीं होता, मीडिया होता है. जहाँ कोई नहीं पहुँचता, मीडिया पहुँचता है. On all these things, I would like to say a thank you to you. But before saying a thank you, I would like to share the number of our career counselor with you. In case if you are having any other query related to admissions, at the same time, I would like to share with you the landline numbers of Trinity, or you can also mail us to on admissions@tips.edu.in. That's all from my side. Have a very nice future. Have a very, very bright career. Thank you. But before you go, stay tuned because now we are coming up with a quiz for you only. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing the details with all the creative minds today listening to us. So they have so many queries from the students in the chat box. Before we have a question answer round with Nitin Sharma sir, I would request all of the students to open the link and answer the quiz right away so that you can win the exciting gifts, the Paytm vouchers. So the Tapanshu sir has already shared a link. Kindly hurry up and answer them all so that we can announce the winner also. Till then, sir, there are so many questions that the students wants to know from you. If you permit me, can I ask you a few questions?
Yes, please, ma'am. Go ahead.
So there's a student Rakshit who wants to know, do one needs to be a good writer to become a filmmaker?
See, if you have a knack of writing, if you know how to write, then it's a plus point. But if you don't have that creative edge of writing, then of course there are a lot of good writers available who can write for you. So it is not necessarily the most important thing to become a filmmaker. To be a filmmaker, you have to be a storyteller. That story can be of anyone, not necessary that it has to be of yours only.
Right, sir. So there's a student Nitin who wants to know that what are the job opportunities in filmmaking after doing BJMC?
As I had mentioned before, it depends upon your specialization. If you have done editing course and be a JMC, or if you have specialized in a particular field, you can choose that area of work for you when you go out for working.
So there can be a number like cinematographers, directors, I mean, camera handlers.
You have to specialize in any department you can go. You can be an editor, you can be a cinematographer, you can be an animator, you can be a colorist, you can be an art designer, you can be a set designer, you can be anything.
Nitin sir, I do have a question for you. As you were giving your presentation, you just talked about that students, if they are taught about Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and all these things, so they have a bright career in BJMC. I would proudly like to announce that in our design and graphic course, we do teach students about Photoshop, about career that in design, about Premiere Pro, at the same time, certain softwares related to magazine and the newspaper. But I am quite confident that you students do have a bright future, but I just want to listen it from your side that if students are listening, having these nitty-gritty, knowing these nitty-gritties of the software, that they have a bright future and they do get a job instantly.
Yes. If they have learned all these things properly, and I would not say that they have to become a master of Photoshop or Illustrator or Premiere Pro or FCP or anything. They don't have to become a master of it. But they should know all these things. And then they have to specialize in one particular area. They have to specialize in one particular area that will lead them to a long distance of their journey.
So there's a student, Tanvi Kapila. That person is asking, is it difficult to start on our own in the industry without any help or guide? What if the big production houses doesn't accept us to work with them? What steps one should take while entering into filmmaking per se?
As we discussed, you need to do your course properly, and as was mentioned in the presentation also, when you are in the campus, I guess you invite the faculties from outside also, and then there are production houses. The production houses might also be coming to the campus for the placement. I guess that will help. As like any other industry, we are also not different. You have to have some experience by doing live projects in the campus. and that will help as a work ex for you. And then a recommendation letter from the college or your school will be add up to your placement.
The students should start learning from the college days only, start making their life projects so that they can showcase with you when they come in the industry, showcase the various directors when they enter the industries.
It's just like any other course. Like if you want to become a doctor, you have to have a MD degree or MBBS degree.
True,
You
sir.
just can't go out and say that I'm a very good doctor, I know all the medicines. So
True,
yeah.
sir. Thank you so much, sir. This is student Kohina Kanuja. This particular wants to know from our Mehtab sir. Mehtab sir is here. He wants to know what rank should we get in CET for admission in Trinity. Is Mehtab sir here?
Ma'am, as far as rank in BGMC are concerned for our college, approximately if they will secure approximately 4,000 to 5,000 rank, they will secure admission in Trinity.
All right. Hope this satisfies the child. Thank you so much, Romika ma'am. The results for the quiz.
Mehtabji, one more question. If the student is not having a rank like that, are there some MQ seats too? Or
Yeah.
are there something that can be done?
Yeah, we do have a 10% quota for management quota seat. So when a student is unable to get admission to by better rank, they do have an option to get the admission by getting seats through management quota. Any more questions, ma'am?
No, sir. That's all till now the students have asked. I would like to thank Mr. Nitin Sharma. It's been a real pleasure to host our esteemed guest, Nitin Sharma sir, for today, who made this session so meaningful and conclusive that we can proudly put these ideas back to work again. Thank you for reminding and giving us your valuable time and input in those areas of film that needed rephrasing and immediate in-depth industries and in the industry as well. Thank you, sir, for being these treasured elements putting these treasured elements on the table.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Nathan. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
For us, for a while, we would be having a group photograph too after the session is over with our videos cameras on.
So now I would like to announce the winners of the quiz, and the first prize and the first position goes to Yash. Yash has given all the answers of the quiz, so big round of applause for Yash. And Yash, you will be getting your gift very soon. And the second one goes to Anjali Chaudhary, and big round of applause for Miss Anjali Chaudhary for giving the answers correctly. And the consolation prize goes to Bhumika Sharma. Very well done, students. And I'm very happy that at this stage also you do have a media knowledge and you are ready for the course. And the next consolation goes to Yukta Jain. And big round of applause for Miss Yukta Jain. Over to you, Dr. Kim.
I would like to end the session with thanking our chairman, sir, Dr. R.K. Tandon, director, ma'am, Dr. Barka Behel, director cum principal law, Dr. K.K. Geeta, for this wonderful opportunity to know and learn more about films and the career-based elements associated with it. Thank you all the participants for joining with us.
Can Ajay can take one photograph? We all can switch on our videos.
I request everyone to please.
In grid view, Ajay can take one photograph.
Meanwhile, we have also posted the syllabus of CET BJMC in our query in our chat box. Students can go through that also, that what exactly do come in the syllabus of CET BJMC. And if you need any help regarding the same, we are here to help you. Our counselors are there to help you. We have shared the mobile numbers. You can contact us on that.
Thank you once again, everyone. Thank you, Nitin sir. Thank you, Tanan sir. Thank you, Barkha ma'am. Thank you, Geeta ma'am.
Thank you, Nitin sir.
Thank you, Nitin sir, for such an enlightening session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Nathan. Bye-bye. See you.
Thanks, sir.
Thanks, everyone.